So today, you guys, I'm gonna show you guys how to cut hair like a taper, and I'm currently picking up my client right now. So I'm gonna show you guys how to cut it. My car is a mess, you guys, so I'm gonna make some room for him. I'll be editing my videos with my MacBook. I spent $600 on it. Good investment. Oh, this is my client, you guys. Say what's up. You gotta walk all the way back over there. You gotta walk all the way over there. That's crazy. I used to walk this shit all the time, bro. I used to walk all the way
up there, all the way back down.
I used to walk all the way to
I didn't walk, I got picked up.
9th and J. So all the way to Kippy over there in Colton, bro. It was like an hour and 40-minute walk all the time to go see Roxana. Then I walked back. I swear, bro. Bro, my battery died on me today, dog. Couldn't even take my girl to work. I don't know. I left my window rolled down, bro, in the San Bernardino. I live in the suburbs of San Bernardino or something, because no one stole my shoes. No one stole my other pair of shoes. No one stole my clothes or nothing, dog. For all the cars I had, bro, you know I could have put a down payment on a fucking nice ass, like, brand new Mustang or brand new, like, anything, bro, and I probably had it paid off already.
Yeah, that's the same shit I was saying.
I should have done that.
But I actually did get a fucking down payment on 2011 Nissan. The Rogue.
Bro, but I'm fucking retarded, bro, because I have good credit.
Like, there's a lot of beneficials that you don't, like, if you don't know about the 401ks or the fucking, the IEAs.
Yeah.
Fucking, you basically get fucked over. So, fucking, when I get a job, nigga, I'm making sure I get my 401k. Because basically, when I retire and all that bullshit, I'm gonna get matched.
Because,
dollar for dollar.
Bro, I had over, like, oh my goodness, like over 20 cars right now, dog. And I have good credit. If I never, like, my Charger, 2 Chargers were, one was 2,500, one other car was 4,000, Beamer was 6,500, this car was 3,500, Optima was 2,500, the Cavalier was 1,500, my other car was another 1,500. Fuck, bro, I spent so much money, bro. I could have had, like, a brand new car, bro, like a nice ass whip, bro. If I just sell my Beamer, bro, and sell this car because I spent $10,000 to just get the Beamer and this car, I would have got a nice Challenger Charger.
You know, you could use them as a down payment too.
Yeah, I could probably get out the Tesla on me, huh?
Yeah.
But honestly,
how much you plan to sell one for?
Well, I got this one 3,500. I'm trying to profit a little bit, so I probably sell it for 4,500. My Beamer, I got it for 6,500. I probably sell it for 8K. But there's nothing wrong with none of my cars. There's nothing wrong with it either. But honestly, bro, I didn't want to be stuck with car payments. But at the end of the day,
it's better to be stuck with no car payment too, though. Because at the same time, like, nigga,
you never know when shit's gonna go south.
Yeah, that and fucking, if you're like me, where you had to worry about everything yourself and then fucking, like, you know, family, that car payment, and, like, you know, if you're making a job that's fucking only minimum wage at the time, and you barely making ends meet, fucking, that car payment hits and you're like, fuck. Do I make this payment or do I make this rent payment? You know?
Yeah, exactly. That's
and then
true.
you're choosing in between, and then fucking now you behind, and now you want interest, you know?
But like,
fucking that interest money could be used for something else, you know?
So I suggest all the young viewers, bro, like, do not spend no money unless you got a good car, bro. I always keep on buying cars that I never knew was good cars, and they were just all fucking up on me, and like never like had someone to guide me in the right way. But now, like, I got 2 good cars, nothing fucking up on me and shit. God bless me. I don't, like, you feel me? And but I'm just rethinking. I'm like, damn, all those cars I bought, I could have bought a brand new car, but I'm still in the works. I still have the money to get a down payment. I could still get a down payment and keep both my cars, but why would I put myself into that position? Like, I'm just gonna grind, bro. I'm trying to make some shirts, bro. I'll show you what I created, bro.
Yeah.
Alright, you guys, I'm gonna show you guys how to cut hair. I'm gonna show you guys how to clean your clippers. I need to buy more oil, but you're supposed to oil your clippers all the time. But this is how you disinfect anything from the last person, and I'll just keep your station sanitary. So you just gonna spray it. You don't need a lot. And then you're just gonna open it, close it, get all that germs, bacteria, all that left over. Do the same thing with your clippers, whatever you use, you're supposed to do it to it. You hear it? They're cutting the hair that was the last client. Getting all that junk out. So yeah,
Alright, let's get it.
But yeah, he wants his haircut so bad, he's already jumping into it.
Yo, what's up, you guys? So, like I was saying, we're gonna teach you how to do a taper today. Well, we're gonna get your trimmers. I got the gammas out. You gonna match the center of his earlobe to his C cup. Then you're just gonna clean it up. Be careful when you do with these trimmers, because they are sharp. You don't want to hurt them or nick them. So careful, be gentle, and remember, take your time with it. So I'm over here just cleaning it up with the clippers, and after that, you're gonna see my next step. You're gonna put your number 1 guard on that bad boy, and then you're just gonna go up a finger length, like on top of his earlobe, and you're just gonna erase that by 0.5, but you're just gonna make your first guideline with that. Then you're just gonna continue it with the 0.5, like I was mentioning, and then you're just gonna erase that guideline using the close to open method. And then you're gonna go on with your number 2 guard. And see, I'm just brushing them off. I told you I just got out that guideline. Like I said, you're gonna go on with your number 2 guard, make a same guideline. This is gonna be your 3rd guideline, and you're just gonna erase it with a 0.5. But I'm gonna show you guys what I'm talking about, finger length. You don't want to go too crazy up above it. See, that's what I'm saying. It's a finger length. That's number 2. Then you're just gonna erase it with a 1.5. My bad. And remember, you're gonna use the close and open method, and you don't want to take too much time on your guidelines. You're just gonna use that time you're saving with the detailing. And then the same steps goes to right here. I'm gonna go with my gamma trimmers and go on his back, and I'm just gonna make a clean, crispy cut line. And you're just gonna be gentle with it, because they do hurt if you do nick somebody, so you want to be careful with that. So remember, they are sharp. And yeah, so I'm making my first guideline with no guard right now, and this is the exact same step, and it's the clippers are open right now. You're gonna make your guidelines with clippers open, and then this is me going up with a 1 with a clippers open too. And I'm just cutting so I don't hear no hairs. I'm not spending too much time on the guidelines, because I'm gonna use that time to perfect it with my detailing with the 0.5. So yeah, I'm putting the 0.5 right here, and this is me just trying to erase that guideline I created with that 1. And yeah, this is my 2, making my 3rd guideline. This is another finger length, and I'm just telling you it's the same steps as before. And you're just gonna erase that with a 1.5, and you're gonna use the close to open method. Okay, you guys, that's a 1.5, and you're just gonna detail it as much as you could to get all the hairs out. So this is the finishing product. I think he really enjoyed the haircut.
That's gonna be the end of the YouTube video. Come in here, my boy. He's done. Look to the left. Look to the right. Jeez, dog. Jeez, that's how you do it. Our YouTube video is out. That's how you do a taper. And catch me back at it again in the next week or following week. Or I'm be trying to be more consistent, but catch me soon, dog. Really. Please like, subscribe, and comment. What happened?
I'ma grow, living a life of a trapper, cause that's all I know. I'm busting the streets, so I'm seeing that go. I'm not Section 8, cause I'ma reach my goals. School influence, hard work, and don't do drugs. And street show, they ain't no love. They just wanna smoke, drink, or fuck. And it's cold out there, people judge. They kick in with you if you got the lust. When you don't, they don't wanna hang out for much. High no word, they don't wanna talk to you for months. Learn to keep your mouth shut or don't interrupt, cause niggas out here ready to bust. And these rappers be promoting sex, joints, and guns. And kids listen to that without no rush. And I know some kids are seeking for love. People can't be around people cause they cannot trust, cause in a certain way they cannot be told. Wow.